Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The Congress has hit out at the government over the law and order situation in the state. Pointing to the recent incidents of rape and murder, they said this would have a huge impact on Goa tourism. They said the responsibility rests at the door of the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister. This is the third murder at the shacks in the last few months. They outlined the reasons why this is happening.
The murder that has taken place in the shack, I believe that the people are not even accepting the body. When we look at preventive detection that has to happen, if you look at where gang rape, all these things, if you look, things are going from bad to worse. The Home Department has failed miserably, and the Chief Minister needs to answer to these questions. These are serious allegations, serious things, serious allegations on the way the Home Ministry is functioning. Also, the way this has a huge impact on the tourism. Deaths at the shack has got a direct implication on the tourism. Are our shacks safe? Are shacks been given to outsiders to run? What is happening? A mafia choloite. I think all of this needs to be looked at very, very seriously, because it is going to have a direct impact on Goa's tourism future.
What will the opposition role for this?
For what?
To tackle the law and order. See,
the opposition's role, it is to highlight these issues. We spoke, when we speak in the assembly. We can't take law in our own hands. We don't expect the opposition to go there and stand there. Opposition go and stand outside shacks. It is for us to point out to the government, and the government has to take action. They have failed. They have failed miserably. Even with regards to paragliding, for example, it has been suspended. But where is the safety standards? All these years, Goa is known to be a touristic state. These measures had to be put in place in the first place. Suspensions are after a death. So why are you all waiting after death? What about disaster management? Disaster management, every time we speak here on what is the implication, they take it lightly. You see what happened in Verna. So this government is basically sleeping. They are not interested. They are not interested in the welfare of the state. Our duty as opposition, no matter what our political differences are, it is our duty, or my duty as leader of opposition, to make sure we take everyone together out in this house. That is what I will do in the coming assembly session as well.
आम्ही पळयता फाटले कांय म्हयन्या भितर गोंयांत खुबशे क्रिमिनल इन्सिडंट, सिरियस क्रिमिनल इन्सिडंट जाल्या, आनी फाटले 2 म्हयन्या भितर शेकाचेर 3 मर्डर जाल्या. आता जर शेकाचेर टुरिस्टांचो मर्डर जातालो, आता आम्ही पळयला की काल मोरजे एका लोकल मनशाचो भुरग्याचो मर्डर जाला, आणि अशी परिस्थिती जर उरत, जर टुरिस्टूच न्हय लोकल लोकूय जर आमच्या शेकांचेर आनी जर बीच बेल्टाचेर जर सेफ ना, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हाजे एक रॉंग सिग्नल आमचे देशभर आनी जगभर वतले गोंया बद्दल. जे गोंय एक सेफ टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून वळखताले, थंय एक आज अनसेफ वातावरण तयार जाला. दुसरो शॉकिंग गजाल जी गजाल गोंयांत घडला, जी गजाली असल्यो गोंयांत घडनासल्यो, त्यो म्हणल्यार एक हिनियस सामको लज्जास्पद म्हणटा तो गँग रेपाचे प्रकरण जे मडगांव घडले, आनी हातून खुबशे प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. एक प्रश्न म्हणल्यार जर 5 भुरगे एका चलयेक घेवन एका रुमान वता खंयचे हातून हॉटेलान गेस्ट हावसान, जाल्यार त्या गेस्ट हावसांच्यान रिपोर्ट कित्याक जमना? हाजो अर्थ हाजे पयलीं असल्यो गजाली त्या गेस्ट हावसान चलताल्यो म्हणून हे रिपोर्ट जमना, आनी असल्यो गजाली चलताल्यो हे पुलिसांक खबर नासलें हें जावंकूच शकना. हाजो अर्थ क्लियर जाता की पुलिसांक हाजे हप्ते मेळटाले, असले गजाली इल्लिगल गजाली चलताल्यो ताज्यो, त्या खातीर ह्यो गजाली अनरिपोर्टेड गेल्यो आनी गँग रेपा सारको क्रायम जालो. ह्यो जर सगळ्यो आमी इन्सिडंट पळयत जाल्यार लॉ अँड ऑर्डर गोंयांत कंप्लीट फेल जाला, आनी गोंय बीजेपी सरकाराचे हातून कार्यकाळांत गोंयचे पाताल लोक जाला, जे आमी पाताल लोक नॉर्थ इंडिया, दिल्ली, NCR, गुरगांव, हरियाणा म्हणटाले, ती परिस्थिती आज गोंयांत निर्माण जाल्या. बीजेपी सरकार गोंयांक पाताल लोक करपाक सोदता, आनी गोंयकारांनी उठून हाजे विरोधान आवाज काडपाचो आनी एक मॅसिव्ह मुवमेंट जावपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक जे मॅसिव्ह मायग्रंट गोंयांत येवन रावपाक लागल्या, लँड कन्वर्शनां लेफ्ट रायट एंड सेंटर जाता आमी पळयल्या, मेगा प्रोजेक्टांक परमिशनां मेळटा पळयल्या, भायरच्या स्टेटीचे लोक येवन गोंयांत रावता, ते आपले सर्व्हिस स्टाफ, सर्वंट्स, ड्रायव्हर्स हाडटात आपले राज्यांच्यान. हांगासली शॅक्स भायले लोक चलयतात, ज्यो कायद्यान गोंयकार आसूंक जाय आसले. आमी इन्सिडंट जे जाल्या तातूंच्यान भायर आयला की भायले लोक शॅक्स चलयताले, तांचे वेटर, कूक आनी तांचो स्टाफूय भायले आसा. आणि अशा परिस्थितीत जर इतले मोठ्या प्रमाणात गोंया भायले लोक गोंयांत जर रावले गोंयच्यो जमनी काबीज केल्यो, गोंयचे धंदे जर काबीज केले आनी ताका हे बीजेपीचो जर आशिर्वाद आसत, सुसाट लँड कन्वर्शनाचो जर आशिर्वाद आसत आनी जर गोंय हे पाताल लोक करपाचे दिशेन व्हरता आसत जाल्यार आमी हे खपोवन घेवचे ना.